see about that, but yeah, observe muna natin. Observe ko muna kung how it turns out this year. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng sali kay sali lang tayo. Ang hirap nun na, let's say, magsasend ka ng actual picture ng head pictorial. Sino magpipicture sa'yo? Ako, selfie, buang. Ang hirap nun. Ate Juby, next week, ano na, holiday week na? Yes. Just man. Holiday week na. No, not next, I mean, yeah, next week. Next week, babe. Next week. Sunday ng day taron. But yeah. Me and my partner was talking about the pageant lately, and he's also being skeptical, and I understand, you know. But if the thing turns well, na hindi naman pala siya bastusin, he might allow me to join. But yeah. And sa mga uwi ng probinsya, karamihan ng mas mag-ingat. And not being last minute to prep. True! True. Like, last minute talaga yun. Like, papunta kaming Hong Kong. Ang screening is, ano yung screening, babe? Yung pagka-land dating. So, ang hirap. Dapat screening. Prepared ka, nakaayos ka, nasa magandang, let's say, studio type na may mga lights. Ganon. Oo. Eh, bakla, may pride ako, so ang hirap. And then, walang mag-hair sa akin. Walang magme-makeup. Siyempre, I know how to fix myself, to put makeup on my sunbel, hello, to put makeup on myself, pero iba pa rin yung pageant makeup eh. And iba talaga, like, online pageant kasi, hindi mo pwedeng ilagay lang yung phone. You can't just put your phone there and walk around. No, kasi you're not gonna and my partner knows that I'm a pageant girly, and he's been so supportive.